Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming facts. Press Windows plus R, type DXdiag, and run it to see the Directx version and feature levels your GPU reports. Next, open Device Manager and copy the exact GPU model and vendor. This matters because only certain chips support Directx 11 feature levels. Also check Windows Build and WDDM driver version so you know whether the OS supports the driver. Once done, make sure you have admin rights for the next steps. Now update the crucial software. Get the latest driver from the GPU vendor site rather than Windows Update, uninstall the old driver using Device Manager or the, if necessary, and install the new one. Then run Windows Update, including optional driver packages, because WDDM and system libraries matter. If the application still complains, run the Directx end-user runtime installer to restore missing DLLs. Once complete, reboot and rerun DXdiag to confirm the reported feature level increased or matches Directx 11. Finish by launching the game or app with elevated rights, and if needed, compatibility mode for the target Windows version. This can bypass mistaken compatibility checks. If DXdiag still shows no Directx 11 support, confirm the GPU's hardware feature level. Some older chips never support it and require replacement. Once done, inspect application logs and the GPU control panel for forced feature overrides. If you hit a roadblock, my key troubleshooting tip is to test with a different known working GPU or boot a live USB with a clean OS image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.